Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with VChill and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we'll be doing origami flying bat model. It actually flies if you pick a notebook paper, and if you make it, it actually flies like a bat. So without further delay, let's check it out. So guys, for this origami paper bat plane, we'll need a rectangular piece of paper. So first we'll fold it from the center like this. Then we'll just turn. We have two flaps. We fold one flap on this side and another flap on the opposite side, like this. Now we take this one flap from this tip, fold it till this tip, and then we'll just join it like this. We'll just take a reference and we'll fold the opposite side in the same way. Make sure it is symmetric, because otherwise it won't fly. So this is how it looks. Now you have this section, just fold it like this. Similarly on this side. I hope it's visible. It's dark over here. I'm shooting this video late night. So now you open this, and this is how it looks. Now you turn the page, and then we fold this till this point. Now we put this point till here, so we'll just fold this section like this. Similarly on this side, we put this point here. This is how it looks. And now you fold this section back again like this, and then fold this inwards. And then just close this section like this. Now we just fold till here, like a half section, like this. And also on the opposite side. Let me just press this properly. Yeah. So this is how it looks. Now we need to cut this section like this. So let me get my scissor. Now we'll cut it from here. So this we'll cut it till here, this fashion. So let's slowly at that point we cut it like this. And now if you open it, as you can see, this looks like a bat kind of a structure. So that's it guys, that's it. for this video. So this is that flying bat, what do you call, airplane flying bat model. So if you fly it, if you throw it out of the window, it will fly like a bat. It moves its wings like this. So you just need to have a slight fold over here like this, and you can try it out outside throwing it out. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon and get notified first. This is Vishal. Thank you so much, and I'll be back next week. New content, new videos. Stay tuned. Take care, guys.